Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical tutorial: how to send Solana from your Ledger Nano X to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets securely, especially with the evolving tech in the blockchain world. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, the Solana app installed on it, a computer or mobile device with the Ledger Live app, and a verified Binance account with your Solana wallet address ready. Always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware to avoid any hiccups. Crypto security is no joke. Step 1. Unlock your Ledger Nano X and open the Solana app on the device. This ensures your private keys stay protected while you initiate the transfer. Next, head over to Ledger Live or a compatible wallet interface like Phantom and connect your Ledger. Once connected, select your Solana account from the list. Now, for the main action, go to the Send or Transfer option in your wallet interface. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Remember to leave some for network fees, which might vary in 2025 based on Solana's updates. Then, paste in your Binance deposit address. Double-check this address to prevent any irreversible mistakes. It's like verifying a bank account number. After that, review the transaction details on your Ledger screen. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Carefully verify the amount, address, and fees before approving. Hit confirm on your device, and voila, the transaction is on its way. It should hit Binance in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: in 2025, Solana might have new features like enhanced speed or multi-signature options, so keep an eye on official updates. Also, always use hardware wallets like Ledger for added security when dealing with exchanges. There you have it, folks. You've just sent Solana from your Ledger Nano X to Binance like a pro. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next one.